I can do anything I want. And so can you.
Mankind, living its life completely unaware of time beyond the scope of a clock. To them, time moves one way. What was, can be traced back through history. What isn't, never happened. This is an easy way to experience reality, but it is not the only way. The Time Riders were silent protectors of our reality. Quiet professionals traveling through time to the past and future, ensuring the best possible present for the rest of humanity. A Time Rider would sacrifice everything to serve the timeline. Somewhere in time, it became extremely dangerous to time ride. A seemingly unstoppable force rippled throughout time, killing time riders, and returning timelines to their natural state. Something was undoing the work and the lives of the Time Riders. Left to make its mistakes unchecked, mankind
now lives in a dystopian world post-nuclear wars and tragedies.